Today we got a cab high fiberglass top by Ranch, the Sierra series. Fits the 15 to 20 F-150 with the extra short bed, 5.5 foot bed. This is in pretty good shape, doesn't have much damage on it. Ladybug there, there we go. No scratches that I can see here. Top edge and the top look really good. Not seeing any damage there at all. Front edge looks pretty good. So you get down to about right here, you can see a scuff and a little bit of a paint scrape there. Bottom edge is a little bit of scraping on the bottom, but really not bad on that at all. Rest of it looks pretty good. Got a small chip right there. Has the half side sliding windows on the side. Front is sliding window. Not seeing any damage on the front. A little bit of a scuff paint chip right there. Bottom looks good. Top edge of this one and the top look good. Not seeing any scratches over here either. No paint damage. Back looks really nice. No paint damage there. Right below the Ranch logo, it has a little bit of a paint chip there. A couple small paint chip. There's a couple, looks like a bug above it, but splattered bug. Bottom edge actually looks pretty good. Not seeing any damage. Right at the very end right here, you got a little bit of scraping. It's probably set on the ground somewhere. Does have to have the half side sliders on this side as well. Has a double T handle locking rear door with the door skirt. Inside is bare fiberglass. Screens are in decent shape. Does have a small hole right there in the screens. Picture a sliding window in the front is a tilt down, so you have a latch over here and a latch over here, which allows you to flip this window in. That way you can clean the glass here in the back of the cab on the truck. Then you can close this back up, shut that down, latch that shut on both sides. That seals it back up. On this side, the screens are in good shape as well. No holes on this one here. Serial number. It's the Ranch Sierra Xtra series. JS silver. F-150, 5.5 foot. So there it is, cab high fiberglass, Ranch Sierra Xtra series, JS silver in color, fits the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot extra short bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. All that stuff can be done through there. Also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, decked units, things like that, those can be all purchased online as well. As with all our units, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations when you purchase them. Thanks for watching.